Joan of Arc, A1 English Story. Joan is a young girl. She lives in France. She lives in a small village. Joan is poor. Her family is poor. They work on the land. France is at war. There is a big war. England fights France. People are afraid. Many people are sad. Life is hard. Joan is very young. She is only a girl, but she is brave. Joan believes in God. She goes to church. She prays every day. One day, Joan hears a voice. The voice is very clear. The voice speaks to her. The voice says, "Help France, help the king." Joan is afraid at first. She is confused, but she listens. Joan travels to see the king. The journey is long. It is difficult. The king listens to Joan. He believes her. Joan wears armor. She rides a horse. She leads the soldiers. The soldiers win battles. France feels hope. Joan is captured. She is put in prison. Joan dies very young, but people remember her. Her story changes history.
Comprehension questions.
1. Who is Joan? Joan is a young girl. 2. Where does Joan live? She lives in France. 3. Is France at war? Yes, France is at war. 4. Does Joan hear a voice? Yes, Joan hears a voice. 5. Does the king believe Joan? Yes, the king believes Joan. 6. Does Joan lead the soldiers? Yes, Joan leads the soldiers. 7. Is Joan afraid? Yes, she is afraid, but she is brave. 8. Do people remember Joan today? Yes, people remember Joan today.